Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I hope my video and audio is clear to you. So, my name is ISHANK and welcome to Safalta.com. So, this is our third class or third session in our this series of graphic design. So, today's topic will be, let's just understand what are the top 5 free tools that you can use for graphic designs to make your designs better without paying any money to the any company or any software. Okay, so let's just move forward with our very first tool, and that is one of my favorite tool that you can see here. So the very first tool for graphic design that I would recommend for everyone is canva.com. Now this is an application that is available both on both devices, like mobile applications. You can download it in your Android and your iOS version. Similarly, you can also use it on web browser in a laptop or in a computer. So it also has a website that is so useful to create designs by just clicking and dragging the elements or the images. So it is just a click and drop management application that you can use easily to create some better graphic designs. So in this you can create your social media posts, posters, banners, flyers. Even if you want to print something, you can also design that right here. You can create resume, presentations. So there are a lot of things that you can do in Canva. So let's just move forward and see for ourselves like how it does it work. So first of all, you will have to go to the canva.com website. So this is the website that you can see here. Now you can see here, this is a in this video it is represented that it is just a click and drop website. इसमें आपको सिर्फ click and drag करके अपने elements को, अपने text को, अपने images को use करना है और arrange करके एक better graphic design बनाना है. इसमें आप audio भी video भी use कर सकते हो, audio भी use कर सकते हो for video editing. Now if you scroll down, you will have more options, more information about it. So you can just search for it, you can just research, and you can look for it for yourself. Then you will understand how better it is. Now let's just log in. So the thing is, if you want to use canva.com, you will have to log in with your Gmail ID or any other Facebook account. So to log in, just click on login. And if you are using this for first time, so you'll have to create an account by clicking on sign up. ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए लॉग इन करते हैं. I already have a Google account, so I will just connect that. So when I connect my Google ID with this, now this is the interface where you are able to create some designs. Now here you can see there are a lot of templates in Canva. The most exciting thing about designers is that there is a tab here which shows you a lot of templates that you can just use as a free template, and you can change it as you wish. आप अपने हिसाब से उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद इसको आप clearly use कर पाओगे for your designs. You can see how many designs are there that I have already used in my Canva design journey. So you can also create logos, Instagram posts, flyers, resume, posters, certificates. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So you just have to give one try to it, and you will love it. Trust me, this is something that you will be using for further days also, if you are not going to have a heavy specification computer or laptop, or you are not going to pay something to like some paid softwares like Photoshop and other. So what you can do is you can use Canva for free on browser, in a computer, or even in a mobile application that you can download from Play Store and Apple Store. So if you go just here to the home page, here you will find that we are having so many things to create. You can edit videos, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, infographics, presentation. You can get something printed on A4 document by designing it on A4 document. Similarly, if you go here on Facebook post, You can create Facebook post, Facebook cover page, flyer, your story, Instagram story, book cover page design, website design. You can also, and suppose let's say अगर आपको website design करनी है and you want to create a website, so there are a lot of things that you can do. Either you can start from scratch, आप create a design पर क्लिक करके यहाँ से कोई भी एक डॉक्यूमेंट का साइज़, एक पेज साइज़, कैनवस साइज़ आप यहाँ से चूज़ कर सकते हैं. Or you can also click on custom size to create a custom size document. Now if you don't want to create something from scratch, now you can always click on the search bar at the top and type website. So now go to the website. Now what you will find is you will find a lot of website design templates that you can use for yourself. So there are so many templates that you can use, जिसमें से आप कोई सा भी एक चूज़ कर सकते हैं according to your topic, according to your design requirement. So if you are going to choose any of the template, let's say I'm going to select this one. So just click on it. It will open in a new tab here. So here you can see the pages are arranged in a so well mannered, where you can see the logo, the product details, product photo, and some related words or text. At the bottom you have other products like with the heading like top games and other products with their categories and with their names at the bottom. If you go down, you will have new section, get match section, and at the end you will have a footer for your website. All you have to do is, if you want to change the image, you can delete it, and again you can go to the Canva library. It has so many images available for you for free. Let's say you want to add any other product, let's say PlayStation. So let's find PlayStation. If we have PlayStation in Canva, but you just have to type it and it will give you the images. It has a image, but okay, right now we are searching in the template section, so it will give you the template of a website, but do not go to the template. आपको जाना है एलिमेंट सेक्शन में, जिसमें आपको इमेजेस सर्च करने का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, या फिर आप डायरेक्टली इमेजेस वाले फ़ोटोज़ वाले सेक्शन में जाकर आप वहाँ से सर्च कर सकते हैं. तभी जाते हैं एलिमेंट्स, यहाँ पे लिखते हैं हम प्ले स्टेशन. अब आप देख पाओगे यहाँ पर प्ले स्टेशन की इमेजेस, प्ले स्टेशन का लोगो और उससे रिलेटेड सारी इमेजेस आपको मिल जाएंगी. सपोज कीजिए इफ़ यू वांटेड टू यूज़, let me just find one image. Let's see. I will try to find a PNG image without background so that it doesn't look like this. Otherwise it will be a square format or rectangular format image. I want it to be a PNG image. There is another thing. आप यहाँ पर देख पा रहे होगे कि it is a, यहाँ पर कुछ प्रो लिखा हुआ है. तो इस प्रो का मतलब क्या है कि इस प्रो का मतलब है कि ये प्रीमियम एलिमेंट्स हैं. There are two versions of Canva. First is free version, then it is pro version. Pro version में आपको हाई मतलब कुछ इमेजेस, कुछ एलिमेंट्स, कुछ शेप्स, कुछ टेम्पलेट्स ही मिलते हैं जो प्रो वर्जन में ही मिलेंगे, आपको फ्री वर्जन में नहीं मिलेंगे. लेकिन फ्री वर्जन में आपके पास बहुत कुछ ऐसा होता है जो आप यूज़ करके इसको कंप्लीट कर पाओगे. तो अभी के लिए मैं इसको कोई सी भी एक इमेज यहाँ से ले लेता हूँ. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. Let's use this one. So the disadvantage of using a pro element is that it will have a watermark. आपके पास एक watermark होगा Canva का, जो कि आप इसको यूज़ नहीं कर पाओगे जब आप इसको सेव करोगे. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर प्रीव्यू आपको मिल जाएगा. सो अभी के लिए मैं एक प्रो वर्जन ही यहाँ पर यूज़ करूँ. तो इस तरीके से मैं अपना प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पर चेंज कर सकता हूँ, जो भी आपने टेम्पलेट यूज़ किया था. सिमिलरली आप यहाँ पर क्लिक करके आप टेक्स्ट को चेंज कर सकते हो. न्यू मॉडल, ठीक है. और बाकी आप सब कुछ चेंज कर सकते हो, कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हो, बैकग्राउंड का कलर चेंज करना है आपको, बैकग्राउंड का कलर. सो इट इज़ जस्ट समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू यूज़ फॉर योर सेल्फ according to your requirement, and then you will be able to do very much thing in this. Okay, so this was all about the Canva. It is a great tool. आप एक बार try करना और इसको use करना, and I'll be happy to see you creating so many designs with this. So let's just go to our next tool. Next tool that is mostly similar to Canva, but it is from another company, that is Adobe. So our next tool is Adobe Express. So Adobe Express is also new to the market, that has come recently in the past months. It is like just like Canva. It will have so many options to use like Canva, but it is also something that you can use to create your designs online on a browser. It also has a mobile application that you can download. Now here also you can see the adobe.com express is the website address. Now you can see so many designs that are created in Adobe Express. So as you can see, there are so many templates that are already made. You just have to use them, change your content, your image and your colors for however you want, and then usko aap use kar paoge. So it is a really good tool that you can use. Okay, so अभी देखते हैं कि okay, so अभी देखते हैं what is the more tool that we can use. So let's just go to get Adobe Express free. When you click on it, you will have, so just like Canva, it also has free version and pro version. So in free version you will have so many things that you can use, but in pro version you will have everything. You will have everything to use. There is no restriction on using any of the template. So but I don't think you will have to buy, because even in the free version you have lot of things to create. So you can use any of the tool, any of the template that are free to create your design. As you can see here, Facebook post, how well it is designed with proper colors. Now you can see online course bundles. So these templates will help you to get better in your design. And you can also see logo design is available here. So it also has a new project option that will give you some new project. If you want to create your own design, you can just directly go to your Instagram. Suppose you are creating Instagram post, click on Instagram post, and now you will have a canvas just like Canva. Because I'm opening this for if you open this for first time, you will have some instructions that will give you some hints or tips to how to use. So it will also help you like add to your design. If you want to add some images or some templates, you can add your templates. If you want to add photos, you can just click and drag your photos, or you can just click again. If you want to use this photo, you just have to click and it will be available in your design. And now you can just resize and place it according to your use as you wish. So this was second tool that you can use to create graphics, graphic design, post, and everything that is under graphics. You can also create video in Canva just like the any other video editing tool. हाँ, पर ये मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा कि Canva में इतने फीचर्स नहीं होते हैं यूज़ करने के लिए कि आप उसमें एक बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो एडिटिंग कर पाओगे लाइक काइनमास्टर एज ए मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन और प्रीमियर प्रो. But you can create a basic simple advertisement GIF or MP4 video that will help you to grow your business, and you can also do a freelance work using that. तो अभी चलते हैं in our vector, which is the third free tool to create some graphic designs. Now in this, as you can see, the name is itself is vector. So vector means the vector design, which you can get printed without any problem. So these are made using vector shapes, vector elements, just like you have in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Corel Draw. So these are the software that you use for creating vector design, but it is an online free tool that you can use. So if you want to use, just go to vector.com and then you go to click on use online button. The only thing that I might say, जो मैं कहूँगा कि इसका इंटरफेस इतना अच्छा नहीं है जितना बाकी सॉफ्टवेयर्स का होता है. So it is very simple, very basic interface that you can use to create some anything that you want to use. So if you want to create a new artwork, you can just click on here, then choose a size, and then you can just create. So I'm just going to create a social media size or device. So web. Okay, if I'm going to create something for web, like website or web page, so I'll just click on website medium. Now in website medium, once I'm done, I'll just type the name and create. So again it will give you the canvas with the same size for websites, normal, medium size. Now you have some options or tools at the left where you can add elements, like you can add PNGs. There are a lot of things in the elements, in the PNG elements or the PNG that you want to use in your design. Then you can add shapes. There are a lot of shapes that you can use. Icons, if you want to use icons, you can just select any of them and then you just have to click and drag. So according to your size, you can just click and drag and then you can use them. To the side you have other properties related to the elements. So this is also very useful tool that you can use. And there is one more tool that is so useful to create custom shapes, custom design, and just like pen tool in Photoshop, Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Okay, so just give it a try. I hope you will try to make some good things in vector design in vector.com. So it is a vector graphic design software that you will use to create some better designs like vector design. Next thing is Photopea. So Photopea, I love this application because it is so easy to use, so similar to Photoshop. It is just like a smaller version of Photoshop, just like a child of Photoshop. So as you can see, the name is also photo and P. P is small and photo is taken from photo editing or Photoshop, I don't know. So it is also great tool to use, which is available for free online. Photopea.com is the website. When you go to the website, you will have the same options, and it is also in the dark theme like Photoshop. If you click on new project, you will have templates, you will have custom design. Let's say I'm going to design something for photo, and I'm going to design something, or I'm going to edit a photo or create something for a photo frame to get it printed, or for a screen, for a mobile, for ads. So there are a lot of things. So let's just use our print media, and print let's just use A4 size. Okay, now create. When you have A4 size, you can also look at the interface. It is so similar to Photoshop. The interface of Photopea is so similar to Photoshop. You can just compare those, both of them. If I just show you Photoshop here also, so it will just take a time. And if I show you the Photoshop interface, so this is Photoshop interface, and now you will see the Photopea interface. Now look at the difference. There is no difference. I mean, it is exactly the same interface. So this is Photoshop. You can see left toolbar, top menu bar, right में property bar, layer bar. Now if you go to the Chrome and Photopea, you'll have the same thing, but the features are a little bit less in this. I mean, not that much less, but only a little bit. So it is so much better to, if you want to do some quick work. So all you have to do is go to photopea.com, and there you will find a lot of things. Now here you can do everything. You can have lasso tools, selection tools, crop, eyedropper, brush, clone stamp, then you have eraser tool, then you have gradient, text tool, pen tool. So you can do anything that you can do in Photoshop, फोटो एडिटिंग के साथ साथ. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो इन योर photo editing task or photo editing journey. You'll have layer panel, you'll have everything like Photoshop. If you know how to use Photoshop, so you must have to try this if you want to do a quick editing where you don't have a laptop or computer, or you don't have something with good specifications specifically. अगर आपका लैपटॉप इतना अच्छा नहीं है या you don't have a great, you don't have a good computer with better specification, you can use this software which is photo p, नाम ध्यान रखिएगा इसका, or you can also bookmark it, okay, in your browser, so you'll have access to it any time you want to use. So let me just show you something that you can do with this. Let's go to file, open, open and place. ठीक है, let's just open and place, and I'll just get one image from my computer. So just give me 1 minute. So I'm just getting this one image from my computer which is not supported. Let me find another image. Oh, let's just go to google.com and find another image. Portrait, ठीक है, we will be working on a portrait image that you can see here. So let's take this image, Control C, go here, or download it. We will download it. So it is a WebP format, so we will have to use something. So let's go to Pexel, where you can download free images from. Okay, Pexel is a website that you can download free images from. अब यहाँ से हम एक ऐसी इमेज ढूंढेंगे that we can use in our design. This one, free download. It will download the work here or the image here. Now go to the photo P website, then go to the file, open and place. Now search for the image, then click OK. Now you can see the image has been uploaded to our design, and even if I zoom in, it will have a better quality, but if you zoom out, it will just show you in the preview, it will show you a little bit of distortion in the pixels, but when you zoom in, you will have a better quality, right? Of course it is online, so you will have some things to sacrifice, right? But here you can use a lot of things that are useful. So let's try to remove its background. So there are a lot of tools that we can use to remove background. So right now we'll be using what we'll be doing, we'll be using magic wand tool, because the color in the background is much more similar everywhere. So let's just try to use magic wand tool and let's see how it works. So it doesn't work that much good, and we'll be using another tool. So now our next tool will be quick selection tool, and it will be right here. Let me just increase the size of the brush as well. So just choose quick selection tool, and then you will have the mode that you want to use. So now you can see it has selected the whole part of the image. Let me just zoom out. तो अभी क्या करते हैं, इसको हम यूज करते हैं यूजिंग क्विक सिलेक्शन टूल. So here we have, okay, let's just try object selection tool. Object selection tool will also be helpful because it can automatically detect our object. Now you have seen that it has selected our object but not entirely. इन्होंने नीचे, इसने नीचे का पार्ट छोड़ दिया है और इसने ऊपर का ये भी पार्ट यहाँ से डिस्क्लूड कर दिया क्योंकि वो सेम कलर था according to the background. So we'll have to edit it again. Quick selection, add, and then click here, not here. So let me just change the size of the brush. Or let's just select lassos tool because the quick selection tool isn't working that much good. Let's just select lasso tool, add, and then just go here. That is added. Now we just have to click and drag it whole to add it. Now to exclude it, we have to use Alt on our keyboard. Okay, now it is much better. So now the selection is much better, and now we will just, what we will do, we will just use layer mask. Now you can see easily we have removed a background from an image, and now you can just use it anywhere where you want. You want to change the color of the background, you just have to unlock it, the background layer, select the color from here. Let's say you are going to use this background, click it and just press Alt Delete, which is the shortcut for filling color, and then you have another background. So that's how you can use Photopea just like Photoshop, but all you have to do is use it and practice it, and then you will have to learn it. Okay, so the last tool that we have seen Canva, we have seen Adobe Express, we have seen Vector 3, then we have Photopea 4, and the last tool that we have for photo editing, just like Photopea and Photoshop, that is Pixlr. Pixlr is a tool that you can use similarly like Photopea. Okay, but it is not that similar to Photoshop, but the tools are similar most probably. And if you click on Pixlr E, if you go to pixlr.com, you will have a website like this where you have a Pixlr X, quick and easy design, where you want to just do a little bit of change in the image, you can just do Pixlr X. Then you have Pixlr E, which is having much more features or much more tools. Then you have Photo Smash Studio, one click visual creator. Okay, this is something that I haven't used yet, but you can try to use. I think this is a new tool that has come here. You can see it, it is new. So you can see what kind of things you can create in Pixlr E. You can remove background, you can create gradients, picture collage, you can add filters and effects, or you can also use create something like this. So if you go to Pixlr E, you will have this interface, and then you can have another design or template. Let's say you are going to use this template, so you can just first of all, this is premium, this is free, this is premium, this is premium, this is premium, this is free. Let's say you want to use this, you just have to use this templates and edit it, and then you can create your own design. But you can always click on create new, you can always click on create new, and then go to the social media, social post, social stories, web, thumb, wide, alt, whatever the design page or canvas size you want. Let's say I'm going to create for social media, so social media ke liye I will go for YouTube. You are going to create a YouTube thumbnail, so the resolution for that is 1280 into 720. You can just go here, click on create. You will have a canvas without a layer. It will have a layer, but it is a transparent layer. So similar like photo P, you can add your image. Okay, you can add image, open image, and then you can always edit it, or you can always go to the shapes and add your own image. So these are the shape tool that you can use to create your own design according to your wish. Now what I'm doing is I'm just resizing it according to my canvas so that it fills properly. Now all I have to do, I have to create new layers, and then I can create more designs. Let's say I'm going to create circle. I'm going to create new layer or new shape, which will be a circle. Okay, let's just delete it from here and create it from here. So this is how you can use Pixlr, which is the last tool that we have seen, that is so much useful for you to use it online. फ्री टूल है ये बिल्कुल. आप इसमें इस तरह के डिज़ाइंस बना सकते हैं, आप टेम्पलेट्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सपोज कीजिए इफ़ यू वांट टू क्रिएट एनीथिंग समथिंग लाइक फ्लायर, आप फ्लायर क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं तो यू विल क्लिक ऑन फ्लायर and it will give you flyer templates. So there are so many templates that you can use, but most of them are not free. Only few of them are free, just like this. You want to use this template, it will load the template and will give you everything that you can edit, like images, text and other things, and it will help you to create your own graphic design. So this was it, everyone. This was it for today. We'll meet in next session, next video tomorrow. Not tomorrow, we'll be meeting on Monday, and or whenever the next video will come up, it will be given in the YouTube channel, our Safalta skills channel. You can also go to Safalta Talks, which is another YouTube channel that we have, where we have so many experts from different categories, different design industries or different industries, that gives you a lot of knowledge in the masterclass. Okay, so let's just end this and we'll meet in the next video. See you later. See you. Take care. Bye bye.